Well, congratulations, Mr. Acharya. A big deal that we were waiting by, and we at CNBC TV18 had sniffed it some time ago. But give us some clarification with regard to the enterprise value. The street seems to have been at around 55,000 crores in terms of enterprise value. What is the math that y'all are working with regard to the value of this deal?
I think the way we are looking at it is that this deal gets 32,000 plus crores of cash into JSW Steel. It will be a deleverage of about 37,000 crores from the balance sheet of JSW Steel because some part of the debt is getting transferred to the SPV. This is for 50% of the equity which JFE will own. The balance 50% stays with us.
Okay, all right, got that. So then it appears like the deal is quite favorable for JSW Steel, going by these sort of calculations. Initially, the street's reaction was that it's a little bit lower. Give us a few details then. The last number that we have in terms of JSW Steel's net debt is the net debt is around 80,000 crores. Post this deal, you're saying that a lot of money will be coming into JSW Steel. So tell us, how does that reduce the debt number?
So yes, you're right. In 30th September, our debt was about 79,200 crores. And this 37,000 crores of deleveraging, where 5,000 crores moves out of our balance sheet because it will get deconsolidated post to joint control. And the balance of 32,400, 500 crores of cash, net of taxes, will come in to deleverage our numbers. So therefore, in the range of 36,500 odd crores should be the number which will be used to deleverage the asset or spend on alternate capex in the near future.
All right, give us some clarification then, because the promoter entity had 17% stake in BPSL. What do they get in return post this deal? If it is in terms of money or it is in terms of an additional stake in JSW Steel. Just quantify that for us.
Yeah, it will be a share swap. So basically, they will get an additional share. They will get shares of JSW Steel. So the promoter entity stake goes up by about 1.42%.
Okay, all right. What is JFE bringing to the table then? In the past, obviously, you have mentioned that various technological advantages is available to JSW Steel because JFE Astis has 15% stake and they have a board seat as well in JSW Steel. So what are they bringing to table in terms of a technological collaboration?
So JFE Steel, as you know, has been a long-term partner with us for more than 2 decades. The kind of collaborations and initiatives which we have had in the past, including getting the automotive steel, including getting CRNO, and then entering into CRGO technology, which is a closely held one in the world, I think these advantages have come to us from JFE over time. We also had various benchmarking studies with them. JFE has the technical expertise and technologies to get in more value-added products. So that's something which we are looking forward as a joint venture to get into the new asset. And JFE will certainly benefit from a high-growth market like India. From Japan, they see an opportunity to expand into the Indian market, and JSW Steel, being their partner and also the largest producer of steel in India, is a natural partner for them. It enables them to grow the BPSL asset beyond this 5 million ton entity to 10 million ton in the near future and more beyond that.
Okay, all right. And what is the plan then ultimately with regard to BPSL? You'll have turned down the asset cup substantially, and you'll have always mentioned on various con calls it has a potential to double capacity. So by when does that happening? Because now you have the liquidity as well. You have a very, very strong global partner. So by when do you take a call on that front?
So we see this as a double engine with one future. So, this deleveraging will allow JSW Steel to accelerate its growth. So we still remain on track for 50 million tons by 2031, and we are excited with the opportunities that lie ahead. Parallelly, it will also allow the joint venture to grow. The BPSL asset, you will recall, the 10 million was not by 2030. So now this joint venture will be able to accelerate that and be able to get that asset probably on ground by FY31 as well. It has potential for more growth, and that the joint venture partners will evaluate and then take a call in due course.
Just one final clarification then. This asset remains separate, or will it be in the time to come that you see BPSL with JFE as a JV partner getting merged into JSW Steel, and by way of that, JFE's stake goes up in JSW Steel? Could that be a plan 4-5 years down the line?
We do not envisage that now. This joint venture will remain as a separate entity, and there are no plans to merge it with JSW Steel.
Will you look at an IPO for this particular entity?
That's a long-term story which we'll evaluate over time.
Pleasure talking to you, sir. Congratulations to you as well as the entire team at JSW Steel.
Thank you.
Thank you for watching CNBC TV 18. For all top headlines and updates, follow us on our social media platforms.